Okay, let's dive straight in. We've got some source material here pointing to, wow, some huge news.
Yeah, big stuff. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander.
Right, exactly. He's won the 2024-25 NBA MVP award, according to this. I mean, that's just massive. For him, obviously, but also for OKC.
Absolutely. And, you know, what jumps out immediately from the source is how it connects him to the Thunder's history. It's not just about Shai.
Right, yeah, that's the core fact here, isn't it? He becomes the third player, only the third in the Oklahoma City Thunder's history to grab the MVP award.
The third. And the source really makes a point that this puts him in some incredibly elite company for that specific franchise.
Yeah, you really have to think about who he's joining there.
And the source does lay it out clearly, puts him right alongside two absolute legends, icons for the Thunder.
Kevin Durant.
And Russell Westbrook.
So, yeah, Durant, Westbrook, and now Gilgeous-Alexander. That's the MVP play for OKC.
It really underlines the point the source makes about the Thunder's legacy, doesn't it?
It does.
Having three different guys win MVP, especially, you know, roughly within a decade or so, that's pretty rare across the whole league.
Definitely not common. The source frames this specific win as adding something significant to what it calls the Thunder's unique legacy.
Yeah.
So our goal here, just quickly, was to unpack what this MVP means for SGA in that context, just based on this info we have, and it seems clear.
Yeah, it solidifies his status.
Right, it cements him. He's not just like a current star. Yeah. He's now firmly among the franchise's absolute leaders, right up there, historically, with Durant and Westbrook for OKC.
So, I mean, the main takeaway from this material seems pretty straightforward.
I think so. Yep. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander's MVP makes him number 3 in OKC history. Puts him right in that top tier.
Yeah, sharing that space with those huge names.
And the bigger picture, like the source points out, is just how remarkable it is for one team, the Thunder, to actually produce 3 different MVP winners in, well, a relatively short period.
Contributing to that unique legacy phrase the source uses, which kind of leaves us, and you listening, with a question to chew on, prompted by this material's focus on unique legacy and elite players. Well, what does it actually say about a franchise when it manages to foster, you know, 3 different players all the way to an MVP award, all within about 10 years?
Good question. Like, what factors are at play there?
Right. What kind of environment or philosophy might lead to such a, frankly, rare thing in today's NBA? Something to think about, reflecting on SGA's achievement and the bit of history it represents.